Where did we make it to yesterday?
Somersaults! Somersaults double battle!
China Beach. And we're gonna go for a walk down to the water. Should we get going? You got all your gear?
Yeah.
Ready to go to the beach. Ready to hit the beach. All you gotta do is just point it. Yeah, turn it.
Grab it?
Yeah, you can grab it with your hands. We're going up the mountain?
The picture.
What ones do you like the best? Right. Boo boo. Birds. Thanks, honey.
You need to drive it too. Too much.
Is it yummy? Love you more than anything in this world. Is this so fun, Boo Boo?
We're off. Slow meander up the hill.
Say bye, Spot!
Bye.
Bye, Spot!
I think the kids are gonna sleep great.
And now you take your pencil and you go like this. I don't know if it'll work with a pencil. Okay, that's probably not gonna work. It's supposed to be with the crayon.
A little bit hard, a little bit crazy. Doing the. I'll hold it. You reach into it.
No, I said hold it, and I didn't.
Play the music, Boo Boo? What are you doing?
Making a nature package?
Nature exchange. Who are we gonna send our package to? Aurora Lee.
Okay.
Finding all different nature things, and then Hyder's gonna write a little report on what it is, and then we'll send it to our friends in Ontario.
Do you want to have one of those? Or do you like that? We haven't had these.
What about some bark? I see lots of bark on the ground here.
Here. It's for Rory.
For Rory. Okay.
And see my...
Bendy.
And I made it by sending it to...
Alright, now.
That's it.
That's as fast as lightning.
Put this under it. Go for it and give it a bit of a push. Whoa! What you doing? Yeah, get away from me. What you doing, you filthy little boy? You eating all the chocolate bits out of the brownies? You're supposed to eat the whole thing. What do you think, Kyler?
Breakfast of champions.
Don't you don't even handle my steering wheels. You know that all the time.
Good morning from camp. We had quite a funny morning this morning. Boo Boo woke up at what time? 5 in the morning, ready to go. And then we all got up. Hyder decided he needed more sleep, so we fell back asleep. And then Indy needed sleep, so then she came into bed and she fell back asleep. So I didn't get out of bed till like 9 o'clock. We had a little bit of breakfast, and then now we're just making some lunch before we head down to the beach. And I thought, oh, we need to eat up some of this brownie that I made. And Boo Boo is really enjoying them. Where'd you just come back from?
The garbage stand.
Oh, you dropped off all the garbage? We're gonna have some, what for lunch? Do you remember?
Pepperoni garbage can.
Fajitas. We're gonna have some fajitas for lunch, and then where are we gonna go spend the day?
The Palma.
At the
Beach.
At the beach. Should we get going to the beach, Boo Boo?
Right now?
Let's have fajitas. No, we gotta have fajita party first. Say fajita party! Yum! You love these, eh? Banana, cocoa, protein muffins with a little bit of chocolate in the middle, which she is picking out. Yum, 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 yum.
Whoa, that's cool, eh? Wow.
The net that we put up so you wouldn't walk on the other side.
How fun.
Peekaboo!
Hi, Disney.
Hi, Boo Boo. Where's Boo Boo? Where's Boo Boo?
Peekaboo.
Where's Hyder? Peekaboo!
There they are.
Where's Boo Boo? Peekaboo! Oh yeah, we got this wood from this really nice man this morning. Popped by the truck and said, hey, do you want some wood? And we said, yes, please. Peekaboo! Yeah, now you can talk and it'll record you.
So what's exciting today?
Today we're going to the beach and that's exciting.
Oh yeah.
First, what are we gonna have? Put the camera on the food. What are we gonna have?
Cheetahs.
Fajitas. Yum, eh? Indy's got a big piece of chicken.
We're going to the beach and I'm doing my bed. Bye.
Darker than this, right?
I am that camera.
Wow. Are we gonna have some yummy fajitas?
Boo-boo is happy.
Cheers, Boo Boo.
Yes, you, especially you, okay?
Cheers.
Because
Say
it's
cheers.
gonna be very sunny. Cheers.
Yum.
But I want.
Cheers.
I
Yum.
Oh.
It's on already. Okay, I'm going down the stairs.
I'm going down. Wait. Keep it. Don't tell. No, yeah. Don't tell. Don't tell. Don't tell.
to ride? To the beach.
For bad beaches.
It's called Second Beach down here. Did you have fun yesterday at the beach?
Yeah. Well, we have to...
Yep, this was the same beach. Now we're going on the trail again. Good ripping. Yesterday it was misty and West Coast vibes. Today, it's like Hawaii out here, eh? Because it's so sunny, so hot. The waves are perfect. We got the puppies all set up in the shade with their water. Me and Hyder are hanging out before Boo Boo comes back from her nap. We've got a pretty good ouchie on her leg on the way down. Gonna have a nice day at the beach. All right, we're gonna build a sand castle?
Yeah.
Pull it off, let's see. Wow, nice one.
It's almost.
Let's make another. What do you think of our castle? Pretty cool.
You done? I pushed the one top down. Did you see what I did? Sit back.
We found. Woke up from her nap and got right to digging.
What's she doing?
Dig it.
Dig, dig, dig. Doesn't feel like Hawaii. I don't know what. It's literally the most perfect day out here. You want to go down to the water, baby? You want to go down? Come on, baby. What do you think? Boo Boo, beautiful, eh? And the walls of Jericho fall down.
Right? That's cool, eh? Look at the size of that.
That's got a crabby in it. See it? What do you think of that? Boo Boo, you want to see? Look, Boo Boo. That's a crab. Crabby. See?
Was there a hermit crab?
Yeah.
Whoa. Hug Bob.
Love you,
We
Bob.
love Bob. Bob loves us. We love Bob. Alright, let's let him go. Oh, hide.
Ladybug, Boo Boo.
How cool.
I ain't never seen a ladybug at the beach before. Beach ladybug. We got surfers. We got sea-doos. Busy day out on the water. Push it free. Boo, how was your time at the beach? Good? Ready for the truck home?
Oh yeah, I just packed a bear. This is nothing.
You're littler than a bear, girl.
Definitely a little. Sleep yet, Boo Boo?
Keeping that old man bub well preserved.
Keeping him with us.
Yeah.
Good boy, Bob. Hyder was asking, why is Bob twirling his belly when he walks?
Hey. Say hi.
Where did I live? Saw them a little bit, don't press.
She did. Oh, Mama, hi. Hello.
Hello. Are you playing with your sister under
I
there?
forgive you, Mom.
Forgive me for what?
Nothing. I don't know.
Did you just catch that gag? On
Sure did.
Why do you swallow before you add more bread?
Indeed, swallow.
That's funny.
Good job,
On the place or to dawn.
Boo Boo. What?
Place or to dawn.
Do you want to tickle me? Tickle. You're tickling me. Why are you tickling yourself? Are you You ready to catch?
Yeah.
Hold your shirt like this. Make a scoop in the bottom, yep.
No.
Boo Boo, I got you one. Boo Boo, you want your first ice cream sandwich? Come on. What do you think, Boo Boo? What do you think?
I want mine open.
Okay.
They're pretty. That's so tasty. Okay. Oh, I'm done. This is mine.
Okay.
I'm tired of.
What do you think, Boo?
Oh, look.
Yum.
Lunch.
What do you think of that?
Mm.
Yum? What do you think of that?
This one's the best one.
Yeah. You guys do a cheers again? Cheers! Oh. Cheers! Yum, Boo Boo.
Yum.
Do you love it so much? Mmm. Yum. So what do you think of ice cream sandwiches?
Love it.
Love them? Good addition to camping? Should we bring them every time?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
I'm too hungry.
You want some more burger?
No.
What do you think that you might want?
A little bit more with that.
A little bit more what?
With salt.
Dessert, okay.
Okay.
What are the two babies doing in here? What's going on in here? Go to bed. Go to bed.